In this video, I'm going to show you how to make edits to your book before placing an order for more copies. So let's say you ordered one copy just to take a look, see if you like it, see what changes you need to make, proofread, all that kind of stuff. And now you've found all those changes, you want to go make those edits and place a new order. I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's go to my cookbook, Ashley's Terrifying Treats, my Halloween cookbook. Let's jump over to this page here. I actually have a blank page I want to go ahead and delete. I can make that change. I could literally go into any recipe, any page at all my crazy family pictures here, and I could make any change I wanted to. I could break down, this step into 2 steps. I could do anything I wanted. I could make changes to the text. I could do anything. I could fix typos I've made, change out the photo, whatever you want. After you've done that, you're actually just going to repeat the exact same steps you took to place the order. So I've made my changes. I go up here to preview an order. I choose the binding style I'm interested in. So for now, I'm going to stick with hardback YRO. I can either change my upgrades, you could do the premium paper, you could do the remove branding, or include the e-cookbook and generate your digital proofs. Once all of my proofs have generated, I'm going to go ahead and review those, then approve all proofs and publish to private bookstore. From there, you can purchase as many copies of your edited book as you'd like. So it's that easy. If you have any other questions or concerns and you need further help, please email support@createmycookbook.com. Thanks.